So first you need to install NumPy. So I will write here pip install NumPy. I will run this. Then I will write import NumPy as np. And then I will write a is equal to, then I will write a is equal to square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I will find mean and median of this array. So I will write b is equal to b. I will use b for mean. B is equal to np dot mean. I will use brackets and then I will write a. I will run this and now you can find the result. By finding the result, I will write print and in the parentheses I will write b. So you can see this is the mean. This is mean of a. Right now I will find median. So I will write C for median. C is equal to np dot median, and in parentheses I will write a, and then I will print this. In parentheses I will write C. When I will run, you can find the median. So 4 is the median. Right, 4 is the median and mean is also 4. So this is the way how you can find mean and median in your NumPy. So don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.